Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from every part of the world, wherever you're watching from. I still remain your real estate consultant, Mike Ukuli, the principal rector at Ellis Group. We'll, we'll be talking about government allocation, title of a property. Government allocation. A lot of people have been asking, what is government allocation? Mike, throw more light on government allocation. What is government allocation? Now, I'll be explaining in details what government allocation is. So for more updates on videos like this, please do well to subscribe to our channel, click on the subscription button and hit the notification button so that anytime we drop videos like this, you will get notified immediately directly to your phone. You'll be the first to be notified and you'll get updates easily. You don't need to struggle or ask questions before you get such updates. From time to time, we're educating ourselves on ways genuinely you can secure properties. Securing a genuine property is not as hard as people think or paint it. Now, government allocation property. That title, government allocation, is one of the best titles in securing a land, especially here in Lagos. This, remember that all land belongs to the government. All lands are government properties. When government release a parcel or a portion of the land to the family or individual or real estate companies, that land has been released. It's no longer under government acquisition. And anyone that is under government acquisition, it is for the government. It's either they are leaving it for developmental purpose, they are leaving it for infrastructural development, they are leaving it for something else, either to construct bridge, to construct road, market, school. It can be anything or anyone. So, but in a case where government have seen and said, okay, this particular land, we are not using it for anything, therefore release it back to the family. The family can decide to sell it to individuals, they can decide to use it for themselves, they can decide to sell it to other real estate companies. This government allocation is a land allocated by the government to the family or real estate company or individuals. This land is allocated, the parcel or portion of this land is allocated, or this land is in hectares, and the government decide to release 2 acres of this land, or 3 acres of this land. Maybe they have it as 10 hectares. They decide to release 2 acres of this land, 3 acres of this land, and say, okay, this one is allocated to so-so company. This one is allocated to so-so individual. Before now, land that is acquired directly from the government. Now, you don't need to go to government to buy land individually. You buy from either the family or from the real estate company. So government allocate this land to the real estate companies or the family, and you now go as individual to the company or the family to get from them. And now you can go ahead to develop the title of this land to C of O. It is still also good and better. But this government allocation, the title is also good. It is a nice and one of the best titles you can think of in a property. Government allocated C of O. Government allocation, it is the best title you can think of in acquiring a property. This is a title that if you are securing a property with this title, you have rest of mind. You are sure of what you are getting. You are sure of the property you are buying. These are many things investors consider before investing their money in the property. It's not a kind of land where you buy today is still under acquisition, we are still working on it, acquisition in progress. No. This is government allocated property. You can go to government office like Alausa and check by yourself, verify everything intact. That is why you need the right people to handle your investment. You need the right people to handle every land you want to purchase. The people that will verify the necessary document, necessary title of that land, everything they need to know everything they need to get in place before going into that investment. You need the right people to guide you into securing that property. That is why we are here. That is our objective. We guide you. Get the right document, the right title for that property. That is why we are here. Feel free to get in touch with us. You can give us a call on the number on your screen, send us a WhatsApp message, or drop your inquiry, your question on the comment section. And always do well, subscribe to our channel, click on the subscription button, hit the notification button. You get notified directly immediately we drop this kind of educative message, videos, or content. You get educated, you know what you are doing. So that as you invest, there is no fear. You don't need to be scared. You don't need to be restless or having a sleepless night. You go to bed, you sleep, you are sure that your investment is secured. You invest in the right place. You invest with the right people. You invest in the right opportunity. Following us, we guide you into making the best decision in acquiring properties, making the best decision. Do well to follow us on other of our social media handles as displayed on this video. Stay tuned for more of these updates as we bring them to you. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.